Further, if there are any questions before I load my we can take some questions.
Namaste, Vijay.
Namaste.
Actually, I have one question.
Okay.
These days, this viral is spreading
Yes.
not only in my place, but maybe some other places also. One month back also, I had this kind of a viral. After 2 3 days, I recovered from that also.
Okay.
But after that, I was not feeling any weakness or like that. But this time, I infected by this viral. Back 7 8 days back. Still, up to now, I'm not fully recovered. Before the fever, that is those symptoms are not there. They disappeared within 3 4 days. And after that, also for 6 7 days, I have laziness and very even having no desire for most of the time I feel just like sleeping and sitting or sleeping. Are these symptoms associated with viral or some other deficiencies in my body? I'm not sure.
Generally, after viral fever, this kind of weakness will be there, and as the body regains strength, all these symptoms will disappear. But to come back to normalcy, you can do practice a few things. One is you can take the kara of Giloy. Giloy is Guruji. You might know about Giloy. It is Giloy. Giloy. So if you get fresh Giloy stem, you can take. Otherwise, you can go to a Ayurveda shop. And if you have enough Giloy, then better take fresh Giloy. It's more effective. Take the Giloy stem, cut it into pieces. Maybe you take, if it is as thick as your index finger, take 2 inches of Giloy stem. Okay? And then cut it into small pieces and add water and do decoction of this Giloy. Boil it well, bring the water to come up to 1 4 and filter it and drink it every day on empty stomach. You can add around 1 glass of water and bring it down to 1/4 glass and filter it and drink it. If possible, you can also take ashwagandha. Not in continuous. This Giloy decoction, you have to take it on empty stomach. Ashwagandha, if you get powder, you can take 1 spoon powder twice a day. Just a moment.
Sir, namaskar. Thank you very much. We will see you in future. Thank you for all your support. I will write to you, sir. Bye, guys.
So you can take ashwagandha powder, 1 spoon twice a day. Do you have any Patanjali shop nearby?
Yes, we have. I have a shop, even I have also done that with me. Basically, I have purchased.
Oh, you have ashwagandha in a form of powder? Then take 1 spoon twice a day. You can take either mix it with milk or take it with hot water. If you mix it with milk, at least give a gap of 1 hour after or 1 hour before.
I take this Giloy Kara in the coffee.
Empty stomach. The moment you get up, you start boiling the kanda and drink it as soon as it's ready.
Yeah. And after that, I can take one and half hour gap or
1 hour gap, 1 hour gap.
1 hour gap. I can take ashwagandha with me.
Yes, yes.
One time again, I was sleeping, dinner, after that
Yes.
Okay. I have one more problem. I have discussed here that you like the easy like for so that can get also
Yeah. Then add like the pepper powder to it. 1 pinch of pepper powder. If you want, don't add white sugar, you can add this mishri. Enough. Yes. 1 pinch. Use it for 1 week and tell me how it is next week. Yes. Welcome on. We will discuss about how we can come back to normalcy when there is some disturbance in our body. How to identify that there is some disturbance in our body in relation to this, and what to do without using any medicine, how we can come back to normalcy. That is best of all. So whenever there is a disturbance happening inside, body sensing this about infection is much before the manifestation of disease. If we observe the signals carefully, we can alter our food and lifestyle to correct the disturbances and prevent any diseases from manifesting. So long before the manifestation of disease, there are some symptoms like weakness, lack of vision, yawning, heaviness, mental fatigue, uncertainty about liking and disliking for fire, sun, wind, and water, indigestion, anorexia, depletion in strength and cognition, change in conduct. These are all premonitory symptoms which indicate that within 2 days you will get fever. So when you see such problems like lacrimation, fatigue, weakness, then indigestion, anorexia, all are indications that fever will come. Then you have to correct the digestive fire. You have to do some fasting, take some simple precautions, which I will tell later in this session. Whenever a skin disease is about to manifest, you might find some numbered skin patch or excessive perspiration in one part of the skin or absence of perspiration in one part of the skin, discoloration in one part of the skin, elevation of patches in the skin, itchy, continuous pricking pain, excessive pain in the ulcerated parts, instantaneous appearance and continuous persistence of these ulcers, burning sensation, all these things will happen when there are some problems in the when skin disease is going to manifest. Before that, you will find such problems. So when you find such indications, it is indicating that some serious skin disease will appear after some time. So such thing should be avoided. But for that, again, you have to change your life, change your lifestyle, practice and all those things you have to. Swelling or edema, inflammation, it is a premonitory sign. Premonitory sign of this edema. Edema is like there is a serious condition where kidney is malfunctioning or some kind of circulation problem is there. Then there will be swelling, and before that, there is increased local temperature, burning sensation, dilation of local vessels. All these things indicate that there is some serious problem going to manifest with the main complaint of main problem symptom of swelling. Long before the actual manifestation of piles or hemorrhoids, there will be indigestion, weakness, there will be form and water, acid, frequent irritation, weakness in the thighs, straining and voiding of less of stool, anemia, these are the premonitory symptoms of the elemental bodies. So if you feel there is some problem with the abdomen, indigestion, and frequent what we call belching, and if you feel weakness in the thigh, and less stool is coming out of the body, then it is an indication that you might get hemorrhoids. Long before the manifestation of respiratory problems, there will be constipation with flatulence. So many people do not understand the relationship between constipation and respiratory troubles. So long before the manifestation of bronchial asthma or other respiratory troubles, there will be constipation with flatulence, pain in the sides of the chest, pain in the cardiac region, decline of respiratory functions. All these will indicate that in future this person will get some respiratory trouble. So it is better if you find such problems in the initial stage and do pranayama regularly. Make sure the bowel movement is good and alter your food and make sure that the digestion becomes stronger, motion becomes free. All these things will prevent the manifestation of respiratory. Before the actual appearance of some viral cold or fever, before that there will be a feeling of congestion in the throat, itching sensation in the throat, obstruction of the movement of food in the throat, or difficulty in swallowing. All these things will happen before the actual manifestation of viral infections and this. So immediately you stop taking cold items and do some fasting and take some items which will kill the infection to the CPUs. All that I will tell after this slide and show you what we can do to prevent such problems in the initial stages. If there is severe nausea, excessive salivation, aversion of food, all these things indicate that after some time there might be vomiting or some other problem related to acidity and ulceration. Further, these are the premonitory symptoms. So again, you have to do fasting, you have to correct digestion diet, correct your diet. Any indication of normal functioning of your body is an early indicator of future disease. To prevent the manifestation, dietary corrections, change in lifestyle, and moderate use. The symptoms are not subsiding, and you should know when to consult a doctor. So, how we can? First thing is eating in the right time, sleeping in the right time, waking up at the right time, doing physical activity, exposing water to the sun, and keeping your mind calm, practicing pranayama, regular fasting, reducing the intake of food, all these things will help. Apart from that, there are some home remedies which will prevent the manifestation of actual disease. In the initial stages of indigestion, you can take 5 grams of crushed rhizome of ginger with salt or jaggery twice daily before meals. 10 milliliters of pomegranate fruit juice is also good in reducing inflammation. And ginger is actually very good at increasing the digestion fiber. You can also take 5 grams of coriander powder with 20 ml decoction. 20 ml decoction of coriander powder with a pinch of ginger powder. Ginger powder is dry ginger powder. 20 powder, 1 pinch with 20 ml decoction of coriander powder. So take 5 grams of coriander powder, put some 80 ml of water in it, reduce it to 20 ml, and filter it and add 1 pinch of ginger powder to it and take 3 times a day. That will reduce the digestion. 3 to 6 grams powder of fried jeera. Again, fried jeera. with rock salt. Like we can add 2 inches of rock salt with 6 grams of red jeera powder and take that combination 3 times. That also will reduce the temperature. Similarly, 1 to 2 grams powder of lavanga. Lavanga will take with warm water. So take powder of lavanga, add warm water in it and drink it. Or 5 to 11 lemon juice with a pinch of salt and pepper. 3 to 5 grams of powder of fennel seeds, powder of white jeera and raw salt. So we can also fry the jeera and raw salt along with powder of fennel seeds. That also will reduce the inflammation. So let's see juice if you take 5 to 10 ml twice a day or twice a day, it also will reduce the inflammation. So if you correct the indigestion problem, it will prevent the manifestations of hemorrhoids, bronchial vomiting, ulceration, and fistula, fissures, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease. So many diseases can be prevented if you correct the indigestion in the initial stage. Similarly, if there is abdominal pain due to various reasons, the pain can be brought down by using 5 ml of juice of ginger in a glass of buttermilk with lemon and salt. You have ginger juice, lemon, salt to a glass of buttermilk and drink once when you must get abdominal pain. This ginger, lemon, salt combination with buttermilk will actually act as a muscle relaxant and soothes the stomach wall and intestinal wall and reduce the abdominal pain. You can also take 1 gram powder of carom seeds lukewarm water twice a day or twice a day. Ajwain seeds that also reduce the abdominal pain. Stir and dissolve asafoetida powder in water and apply. This is an external application. Generally used for small kids, but even for adults that pain is severe in the abdomen, you can take the hing powder. Hing powder mix with water and make a paste of it and apply it around your umbilicus. That will reduce the pain. Hing fried in ghee, taken internally with buttermilk fried. 1 gram of hing fried hing powder with ghee. If you mix it in buttermilk and take once a day, that also will reduce abdominal pain. And if the pain is due to diarrhea, 2 grams powder of this vinegar, take it with warm water, 4 to 5 times a day. It will reduce the motility of the cell and reduces the pain. Okay, it is due to diarrhea. 3 to 5 grams of soft powder. Soft, you can mix it with buttermilk, it will provide but also will reduce the pain. Amla red juice with milk if you take twice a day. That also will reduce abdominal pain. The next common condition in our home system is loss of appetite. 1 gram powder of carrot seeds with warm water to be taken half hour before meals. Carrot seeds, ajwain seeds. Ajwain seeds 1 gram powder, you take it with warm water, you will feel hunger. You take half an hour before your actual meal time, by the time you will feel hunger. 2 grams powder of dalchini and ajwain, which is 1 gram of dalchini, 1 gram of ajwain. And make it into 3 divided doses and keep it in your mouth and try to chew it. That also will reduce pain in the loss of appetite. Loss of appetite, you will feel hunger. Half spoon of hing and jeera powder. You mix it with food. First morsel of food. You mix it with first morsel of food, add some ghee eat it, that also will increase the appetite and also make the digestion better. 5 to 10 ml of Karela juice with buttermilk. If you take 1 to 2 grams, that also will reduce the appetite. Honey with a pinch of pepper powder. So add pepper powder to pinch of pepper powder to honey. That is also useful. So 3 to 4 year old kid, so obviously you have to reduce the quantity. This is the adult dose which I have telling you. You can at least make it half or 1/3 of the dose. Like 5 honey with a pinch of pepper powder potentially. Instead of 1 pinch, you can give half pinch or 1/4 pinch. 20 ml decoction made from leaves. Neem leaves. Neem leaves decoction with a pinch of pepper. Sorry, only neem leaves decoction. On empty stomach. What does normally if you give for 3 days on empty stomach, neem leaves decoction? If there are any intestinal worms, and because of those intestinal worms, if the person is having loss of appetite, those intestinal worms will be killed by taking neem leaf juice on empty stomach. And the stomach is empty, you take it, and it will bring the worms into increase your appetite. 5 ml lemon juice with salt and a pinch of pepper before meals. Also will reduce the loss of appetite, increase the appetite. Lemon juice with salt and pepper, pinch of pepper. 3 to 5 grams powder of roasted soft also can be taken with buttermilk, add little pepper powder and salt to it and take it twice daily. That also will help in increasing the appetite. Okay. Then 5 ml lemon juice with salt and pinch of pepper is good. 3 to 5 grams powder of roasted soft with buttermilk and little pepper powder and salt also will increase the appetite. And 5 to 10 ml tulsi juice. Tulsi juice also will increase the appetite. We have seen that tulsi juice is also good for indigestion. So both are related, indigestion and loss of appetite. So tulsi juice is useful in both indigestion and loss of appetite. So what is the difference between indigestion and loss of appetite? In indigestion you feel like eating food, but whatever you are eating is not an. In loss of appetite you are not even feeling the hunger. So in both conditions tulsi juice will help. If there is flatulence, abdominal gaseous distension, then you can take 2 grams of advanced seed powder. With equal quantity of soft powder, it's 2 grams over 4 grams. With warm water, you take 2 grams of advanced seed powder and 2 grams of soft powder, add powder to the warm water and drink. Then the flatulence will come down. 6 ml of garlic juice with honey twice a day also will bring down the flatulence. Your stomach is tight, full of bloating. This will help. Then there is diarrhea, dysentery. Okay. So 10 ml decoction of pomegranate fruit. 10 ml decoction of pomegranate fruit twice a day. So here we are taking the pomegranate outer skin and make decoction out of the skin of the peel of the pomegranate fruit. This decoction of peel of pomegranate fruit will stop the excess loose motions. to reduce the weakness and reduce the bowel movement, the person can, same person after drinking the pomegranate skin decoction, he can take the pomegranate fruit. The pomegranate fruit also will have soothing effect on that intestines and reduce the weakness also. Another important combination is mostly our grandmothers will know. This is a very simple information. Normally we consume 4 to 5 times a day till the loose motion stop. So it is very useful in stopping loose motions. Not only loose motions, it is also useful in stopping I will tell you later. A pinch of jaifal, you can look at it in the picture, the jaifal powder. A pinch, you can take it with milk or water as a day. For small kids, instead of taking the powder, you can just rub this jaifal fruit on a clean surface, add some milk drops and rub it, and a galpa will appear, small paste, smooth paste, and make the baby lick the paste when the baby is having loose motions. Instantly loose motions will stop. 1 to 2 grams powder of fried jeera with 250 ml of buttermilk taken 4 times a day also will reduce diarrhea as well. Jeera, which is also useful in indigestion, is also now used to reduce diarrhea and dysentery. White onion chopped and fried in ghee. If you mix it in rice, hot rice and eat it, so easily digestible rice. Hot rice mixed with chopped and fried white onion pieces. There are also diarrhea or dysentery will stop. Of course, there are medicines like Sundar stop, but these are very simple. Similarly, there is hyperacidity. Previously, in case of dysentery, we spoke about the juice of the decoction of the skin of pomegranate fruit. Here, actual fruit juice of pomegranate enamel price will reduce the excess acid production and ulceration in the stomach. Pomegranate is a go-to fruit for any digestive disturbances, along with other properties like anti-inflammatory, anti-microbial properties. It is also promoting digestion, reducing hyperacidity. You can directly take one pomegranate fruit if you feel hyperacidity. 3 to 5 grams of powdered fruit print of Indian gooseberry twice a day with milk can also be taken. So, amla powder with milk reduces hyperacidity. Or if you get fresh amla, you can take 10 to 20 ml fruit juice of amla. So, the raw amla, so if you get fresh raw amla, just eat one amla a day on empty stomach, but also will reduce hyperacidity. 5 to 10 grams of ghee boiled with jeera should be taken twice, but also will tender coconut water also will reduce hyperacidity. And now, if someone is having vomiting, so vomiting can be reduced by taking 1 to 2 grams of cinnamon powder with honey 3 times a day to reduce vomiting. And then elaichi seeds fried in ghee and then powdered. That powder you take half gram or less than half, 250 mg or 500 mg. Take it with ghee, rice daily, honey. That will reduce vomiting. Ash of elaichi skin, 2 grams with a little honey, 4 to 5 times a day. That also will reduce vomiting. we take ash of elaichi skin, 2 grams with little honey, 4 to 5 grams. So previously also I have told you about ash of elaichi skin. So that ash of elaichi skin is for diarrhea or dysentery. So if there is loose motion, ash of elaichi skin. If there is vomiting, ash of elaichi skin. For both purposes you can use ash of elaichi skin. So if you are making a sweet or a kheer or something like that, then you are using only the seeds of elaichi and the skin is there left over. What will you do? Burn the ash, burn the skin of elaichi and make bhasma out of it and keep it for ready use. Whenever there is someone who is suffering from diarrhea, loose motion or vomiting, you can just give 2 grams of the skin powder, ash of elaichi skin powder with honey 4 to 5 times a day. Previously, for loose motions, we said same ash of elaichi skin 2 grams with honey 4 to 5 times a day. Here also same. 5 to 10 ml of lemon juice mixed with water, sugar and a pinch of salt. That also will reduce vomiting. And also it will be acting like a what we call ORS. Yeah, rehydrator or rehydrator. So, but normally when people get vomiting sensation, cinnamon, very good, or elaichi. Either elaichi or cinnamon. Think of elaichi or cinnamon for vomiting. Constipation. 3 to 5 grams powder fruit blend of Indian gooseberry. Twice a day with milk. Constipation will reduce. Or you can directly take the juice of Indian gooseberry. That also will reduce constipation. 5 ml of ghee mixed with warm milk. Taken at time. You can add, whenever I say sugar, this is not a regular white free flowing sugar which has a lot of chemicals. I am speaking about the Mishri, Khanda Sharkara. You can add Khanda Sharkara, warm milk and ghee and take it in the night time. That also will reduce constipation. 5 grams of hard with hot water at time also will reduce constipation. Harithiki is very effective in reducing constipation and Harithiki also helps in losing weight. Surendra Pratap Saxena ji is another question. You don't have mic. I've given you mic. You can just switch on your mic and ask the question. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
I am taking this heredity through at the night without water. For 3 months.
Okay.
It is giving a very good result.
Very good.
So, for how long time I could continue it? Will it create a harm for taking a long time? So, please get.
See, Harithiki Mahadeva Hitakari. Harithiki is like mother and it always helps. Kadachit Kupyate Mata Nogarasta Harithiki. Sometimes even the mom will beat us or scream at us. But Harithiki, if it is inside your stomach, it will never do any harm. So any day, number of days you can take Harithiki, but you should allow the body to have a regular bowel movement on itself without depending upon Harithiki or anything else. For that, you need to observe your water intake. You should also make sure that you are eating food in time, early in the night, If you are coming to my session at 7:30, complete your food and talk. And you should not do, you should not wake up, sleep late in the night. All these things will increase constipation. Of course, you have to include more and more fiber, vegetables, and all. You should also include more unctuous items like ghee, butter, oil in the diet to make the bowel movement. If slowly you are doing some practices like regular asanas and other things, then also you will have the free bowel movement. And the time you get up also will actually decide whether you have a free bowel movement or not. If you are getting up with Brahmin Muhurta and doing some physical activity, then definitely you will have to do it.
Sir, I was on a tendency of constipation for a very long time.
Okay.
It problems, which caused me anorexia, 2 or 3 times.
Oh.
So, as per the suggestion, I started taking tea.
Yes.
So should I experience by leaving the dose in the night and watch the reaction in the morning, or I should continue?
Yeah, once in 3-4 days you can stop and see. Okay. Some of the chart people are asking what is Haritiki is called Harad or Terminalia Chapula. And you can also use it is also called Karaka in Telugu. I don't know which means you are आगरा तो उसका नाम हरड़ है सर हरड़ हिंदी में हरड़ हिंदी मतलब हरड़ तो हरड़ you will find it in any Ayurvedic shop Patanjali shop you will get it definitely you will get 30 rupees or 30 rupees 100 gram powder then make it in oil it is actually very effective reducing weight there is a special preparation called takrav karuga add 1 spoon of haripiti or 100 to 1 cup of buttermilk, soak it overnight and in the morning you take the harad powder on an empty stomach and do it like that for 1 month. You can do it. Okay? So then maybe 2 to 3 kilos you will lose. Okay. So it's very effective. Yes, the weight loss, you need to soak it in buttermilk and drink it in the morning.
Okay.
There are 3 fruits in Tripura. One is Amla, second one is Baheda, and third one is Harad. Harad, Baheda, and Amla. Yes. So Harad is the Haripur. Hiccups. Sometimes you will not be able to control the hiccups. 1 to 2 ellachi pods, if you chew them, you might control hiccups. 1 to 2 grams powder of pepper seeds with sugar also you can take. 1 to 2 grams of lavang powder also will help hiccups. There is one medicine in Ayurveda called Mayura Chandrika Bhasma, which is nothing but a ash of the Mayura Chandrika, peacock's feather. That will instantly reduce and stop hiccups. One pinch of Mayura Chandrika Bhasma will reduce hiccups. So, of course, it is also very useful in vomiting, but it is a medicine you might not get. Maybe if you have a peacock feather, instantly can burn it and take the ash to reduce income or to reduce complications. Yes, sir, yes. Viधान Vivan Gupta yes, you are a 75-year-old active learner, I know. I congratulate you. Ah, yes. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Welcome, sir. Welcome. So for bleeding gums, you can take fine amla powder and use it to massage your gums with your finger. And amla gentle massage on your gums will reduce the pain. A pinch of pepper powder mixed with honey can be applied on the gums. That we should do after gargling with warm salt water. First you gargle with warm salt water, then apply pinch of pepper powder with honey paste to the gums and keep it like that for some time. After again you can go back. Apply a mixture of ginger powder, pepper powder, rock salt, honey and ghee. Make it like a paste and apply to the gums twice a day and keep it for some time and then rinse. Fruit skin should be brushed down. It's mostly very amla. Again, apply it to the gums. Can you please share your name and mobile number? So I can share my name and my email ID, which is the same. You can contact me and Dr. Sundar Raj Telugu. Okay. So bleeding gums, regular gargling with triphala decoction also will be very useful. Just take triphala powder, add water, boil it, filter it, and use it to gargle your mouth. That also will reduce bleeding gums. Eating the right food with the right time and using that is also must for all these things. Then toothache. If you keep fried meat in carriage tooth, then that also will reduce. Crushed clove should be kept in carriage tooth. Also will reduce toothache. So hing is an often easily used thing. You just heat the hing, you keep it in the tooth where there is a hole, and instantly the pain will be removed. Or if you don't have hing, use clove. Crush it and keep it in the teeth with holes. Okay. Then you can also gargle with pillow, option. If you are having bad, do some gargling with warm decoction. Prepare a fruit skin of amla. Elaichi seed to reduce matter, but physical activity and have a perspiration of matter. All these that is ginger piece, all these ginger can be little quantity of soap can be chewed off. That is also little quantity of soap. Suryakant Paradavati Yes.
What can we do that?
Do oil pulling regularly. Regularly do oil pulling with the Arimedali Thailam. I am writing the name of the Thailam in the chat window. You purchase this Arimedali Thailam. Sometimes it is I also Arimedali Thailam or Arimedali Thailam. Do any Ayurvedic shop it is available. Do oil pulling regularly. Particularly this one. Okay, and regularly practice pranayama. And stop using toothpaste. Use the tooth powder. That will stop. Make. There is a Dashana Samskara Churna. I am writing in the chat window. No, what is taste? That is the reason for so Dasana Samskara Churna, this tooth powder you try to purchase in the shop and brush it with it and use Ayurveda Thailam or oil pulling after brushing your teeth, not before. Initially twice a day and after 15 days we can do it once a day. Okay. So for bad breath you can chew a little quantity of salt. Which one? Dasana Samskara Churna is SDM, Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatha, SDM Farms. It's a very popular company, South Indian company, but normally available. If that is not available, then there is this Kottakkal shop everywhere, areas Kottakkal. There also you have a nice tooth powder. I don't know the tooth powder's name. It is some, I don't remember, but there is only one tooth powder manufactured by areas Kottakkal pharmacy. That you can do. That normally is available. But first preference is Dasana Samskara. It's very good. The nail meter is not available. Sunstroke, dehydration. This is the season of sunstroke. 20 ml decoction prepared from coarse dhania powder with mishri and a pinch of salt you take frequently after you get sunstroke. It will immediately regenerate and restore you back to normalcy. Tender coconut water can be taken frequently to reduce sunstroke. You can use plenty of onion in your food to reduce sunstroke. And to prevent sunstroke, there is this Sariva or Hepatitis indicus. It is available in the name of Nandari. Nandari, if you go to your supermarket, if you ask for Nandari Sharbat, it is available. Nandari Sharbat. Another one is Khas Sharbat. Khas is vetiver or Ushira or Khas. Khas is another one. Both of them are wonderful in reducing the excess heat in the summer season. You can take the powder and make a decoction and mishri and drink, or you can take the sharbat, mix it in water and drink. So, entire summer season, these two herbs will be your friends. Sariva or Nandari, vetiver or Khas and Nandari, both of them. You can add 2 spoons of cow ghee to 1 cup of cow milk and drink. That also will reduce the excess heat stroke will reduce. Fever. If there is severe fever, to reduce the severity of the fever, can you get a super? You have the light. Namaste. Namaste. Please, better. NR is made up of Sugandhi. It is called Sariva in Sanskrit. Telugu Sugandhi. NR is the Malayalam name of Sugandhi. Both are same. Yes. Yes, normally in the market, if it is not prepared by a pharmacy, if it is prepared by local people, they add little sugar. But there are companies like Ayurvedic Pharmacy, AEP, they prepare Nannari, they add only mystery, not the sugar. They add a lot of this sugar palm, sugar syrup. So if you get the Sariva roots, where do you stay? Hyderabad, you go to Absalgan or any place. There you will get a lot. You know, this sugar roots for 500 rupees or 600 rupees a kilo. Take 2 kilos for entire family, entire summer you will happily protect your family. Take the roots for water and have it in water and drink. It will protect you from summer and heat and anything. You can beat the heat. Fever can be reduced with dhania decoction or tulsi leaves and dhania. Tulsi and dhania decoction can reduce fever. You just pound it, rough powder, not the fine powder. Just pound it, hand pounded powder, add water and make decoction like tea. Filter it and drink. So, if needed, add mystery. Okay. Not Ayurvedic Shala, it is Ayurvedic France, OEP. They make nice banana. Okay. To cold, 10 ml decoction prepared from a piece of ginger. Ginger decoction prevents recurrent attack of cold. 20 ml decoction prepared from 5 grams of coriander seed with sugar and turmeric powder. So dhania decoction with turmeric powder or dhania herbal tea every day will reduce cold cough and problems with digestion. 20 ml decoction made out of dhania, 5 grams, 1 gram methi seed and little pinch of turmeric powder. You can take 2 to 3 times a day to reduce cold. You can see the mantra is turmeric cold. 2 grams of turmeric powder with warm milk and michli twice a day. So almost all the formulas contain turmeric powder. Decoction of 1 gram of turmeric powder or use haldi, add haldi, turmeric powder and herbal tea to prevent allergic problems and common cold. Abhishek Mishra, Elaichi powder with a teaspoonful of honey. 3 to 4 times. Elaichi powder with honey. Little means 2-3 inches. Chewing elaichi frequently also will help in dry cough as well as productive. 2 to 5 gram powder of dried rhizome of ginger, which is shundi powder with jaggery. So 2 to 5 grams powder of. Next total you take 5 grams and add 5 grams of jaggery. Divide it into 3 equal doses. Take it thrice a day. That will reduce cough. Cinnamon. Chewing cinnamon will reduce throat irritation and helps in crushed garlic bulb boiled in water and be taken with sugar. Clove powder can be chewed frequently. Clove powder with honey also can be taken 2 to 3 times of the day. 1 gram clove powder 3 times a day. All these things will reduce cough. Yes, jaggery can be taken. But old jaggery, dark color jaggery, brown color jaggery is good, white color or yellow color jaggery is bad. Sinusitis, there is some headache, blockages in sinuses, lot of cough inside the sinuses. You can apply a warm paste of ajwain seeds powder over forehead and little below the eyes to reduce the sinusitis. Also, you can put shadringal nasal drops to reduce headache in the sinusitis. 1 to 2 grams of ajwain seed powder can be kept in steaming water 2 to 3 times a day. It will remove the nasal block. If you have aches and pains, 10 to 20 ml decoction prepared of 2 grams of dry ginger. Body pains, shunti powder is excellent in reducing body pain. We actually ask the patient to take all the medicines with a decoction of shunti powder to reduce pain. If there is headache, you can apply a warm paste of shunti powder. You can add shunti powder to milk and make a paste, boil and make a paste, apply to the forehead. Dalchini, you can rub on a rough surface and the gantha will come, the paste will come. And apply the paste of dalchini to your forehead to reduce headache. Again, you can put 2 drops of shadringal in your nostrils and will reduce headache. It's almost time. We have we will continue next week because it is already 8:33. Then we want to say that we can add a ఏలేదు మనం నెంబర్ అడుగుతున్నారు మనం ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నాం ఏమన్నారు రేపు సెషన్కి వస్తారా లేదా అని చెప్తారా అంటే వాడు ఇక్కడే వస్తే మనం పొద్దున అందరం కలిసి సెషన్కి వెళ్ళవచ్చు. మీరు వస్తారా అందరికి ఏంటి ఎక్కడ అంకబుల్ అది ఏదో ఇంకా ప్రతిష్టాడు ఏంటి అంతటే అయితే ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే అక్కడ నుంచి మీకు వెళ్ళడానికి హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పడుతుంది. ఒక్క బ్యాగ్ మార్నింగ్ వచ్చేస్తే చేస్తారు మాకు 10 to 12 ఒక సెషన్ అవుతుంది. 12 భోజనం పెడతారు.
అయిపోయినాక నేను
ఆ
వచ్చేయచ్చు.
పొంగల్ తినేసి మీరు అక్కడ ఆటో ఎక్కించుకుంటూ డైరెక్ట్గా రైల్వే స్టేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ 1, 2 ఆయన విజయస్వామి గారు వస్తారు కదా,
స్వామి ఉన్నారు.
ఆయన 3
ఆర్టికల్ సార్, ఆర్టికల్ వచ్చారు. వైజాగ్ నుంచి వచ్చే వాళ్ళు ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు.
వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ బయట వెళ్ళిపోయి వాళ్ళు వస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే వాళ్ళు అది తెలియదు కదా, వాళ్ళు వస్తారు. వాళ్ళు ముగ్గురు వస్తే ఇంకోటి వస్తే 4 అవుతారు. మీరు ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు రాగానే కనుక్కుని నాకు చెప్తారా? ఆ? చెప్తే నేను నెంబర్ చెప్పిస్తాను. I will share all these PPTs. Don't worry. ఇది అర్థం ఇక్కడ పైన ఇంటూ మాత్రం
లైవ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. లైవ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను.